Every living thing on Earth has DNA or RNA. It's the instructions for life. The human genome was sequenced, 20 years ago? And I think it cost $1 billion to do that. Now you can do it for a few $100s. Understanding proteins is understanding life. I suspect that's going to be one of the next big breakthroughs in biology. And I'm feeling fairly confident it'll be us. We're a company that makes scientific instruments. So we make DNA and RNA sequencers. I run the team that's responsible for writing those algorithms to produce all the data that our sequencers produce. Our sequencers generate a huge amount of data, of the order of 1 gigabyte per second of data. And that's comparable to sort of all the phone calls going on in Germany at a given time or something like that. If I were to sequence your DNA, the amount of data one of our sequencers would generate for one individual is a terabyte. So it's not a small amount of data, right? Yeah. It's absolutely staggering. I expected to see a lot of change in my career, but it surpassed my expectations. 10 years ago, someone saying to me, hey, are you interested in deep learning? I say, hey, well, what's that? Without deep learning, without machine learning, we wouldn't exist as a company at this point. Okay, it's one of the pillars of the company. You know, if it was a chair, it would be one of the legs of the chair. We do inference at the edge. Typically, once we settle on a model, once we're happy with an architecture, we will typically implement it by hand in CUDA. Most people don't care about a 10% speed up, 20% speed up. We operate within a power budget. For us, 20% is meaningful. The breadth of things that our customers do is truly wonderful. Everything from oncology. Cancer is a disease of the genome. If we are to improve human health, if we are to improve our ability to produce food, sequencing DNA and understanding that DNA and RNA has got to be part of that. Curiosity and hard work are more valuable than almost anything else. If you're the kind of person who you want to understand something and it bugs you if you don't, and you stay up till 4 a.m. because you can't understand it and you're working at it really hard, then you're just going to be successful at your job.